Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here in the sight of God and before you as family and friends to join Dave and Samantha in marriage.
Samantha, I thought of you in my mind before I ever met you. You're more intelligent than I could have ever hoped for. More fun, more witty. Your beauty is beyond description. I just want to let you know that I love and appreciate you. You are my life, my heartbeat, my world.
The key to love is understanding. The ability to comprehend and not only spoken words, but those unspoken gestures. The little things that say so much by themselves. The key to love is forgiveness. To accept each other's faults and pardon mistakes without forgetting but remembering what you've learned from them. The key to love is sharing. Facing your good fortune as well as the bad together. Both conquering problems, forever searching for ways to intensify your happiness. The key to love is giving.
When she told me she was dating Dave at the age of 10, I was pretty upset because it's always just been you and me, Mommy, forever. And then it takes time, day by day. Every day that I've been with Dave, it's like slowly growing and growing and growing. Every day I learn new things about you and you learn new things about me. It's a love that grows over time. I love you guys so much. And I'm so happy that you guys have been together. And just because you're married right now doesn't mean anything has changed because I've always thought of you as my father. I love you so much.
I promise from this time onward to be understanding and seeking for your happiness as we grow together in love.
I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all you guys, friends and family, everybody that's here. People that have traveled from so far to be here with me and Samantha tonight on our special night.